When was the last time you checked your blood pressure? Hello, I'm Dr. Chitty. If ever you go to hospital, it's one of the first things they check, your blood pressure. And it usually consists of two numbers, something like 120 over 80. What do those numbers mean? Well, the 120 is the pressure in the system when the heart squeezes out all of that blood into the system. It's the maximum pressure. The 80 is when the heart relaxes, and it's the pressure in the system when the heart is at rest, and actually when the body is at rest. So those two numbers, 120 over 80, should not be breached if you're at rest. When I was at medical school, they used to say, well, your blood pressure should be 100 plus your age. That is never true. Your blood pressure should remain at about 120 over 80 right the way through your adult life. Here's one tip to keep your blood pressure low. Just by drinking enough water, that's it, just water, it can keep your blood pressure in a very healthy range. How does it do that? Well, imagine trying to push your hand through a load of treacle. That would take an awful lot of effort. But suppose you just diluted it to make it more water-like. Well, that would be much easier to put your hand through, and that means you need less energy to push your hand through. And that's just how it is with the heart. If the water in your blood is higher, meaning it's less viscous, your heart can push the blood around the system with less effort, and that means your blood pressure can be lower. I hope you found this interesting. I'm Dr. Chitty, and this is How to Heal.